need that something tonight. You got it, then tonight. You got it, then tonight.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this makeup look and also how I put on this wig. I literally just laid this wig down with some Got2b spray, so please, if you guys are going to be wearing this in the summertime, make sure that you have the band as tight as possible. My part is crooked because I did part it on my head, and you guys know when I'm parting this shit on my head, it's crooked. But yeah, this video is gonna be about that. I hope you guys really like this video. Please leave all your comments down below, and yeah. You guys, today's video is in collaboration with Klaiyi hair. This is their body wave wig. This is a 24-inch. It's 180% density, and it cost $249. I checked that up for you guys because I like when people say the prices of the wigs in the video. But all I'm doing right here is installing this wig. I install it like regular. I use the Got2b spray, and this wig could last anywhere from 1 to 2 days in my opinion. I normally just take it off at night when I do this method, but I noticed when I was taking it off this particular day, it was really stuck. So when I put the water, it did lift up, but it was really stuck. So this is a good method when you blend out the edges with the glue. I mean with the gel. What am I saying? With the spray. So that's all we're doing right here. Is just gonna blend the edges of the cap. And yeah. So just spray it and blend, and then we're gonna move on to the next step, which is parting off the baby hairs. I told you guys that when you're sticking your wig down, make sure you remove the baby hair area so you can tie it down with the elastic band, only because this gives it a nice tension and a more natural look. Even if you're not doing baby hairs, you want to do this part of sectioning off the front area. So right here, I'm just parting my hair, and you guys know it's already crooked because for some reason my eyes can't see straight, so that's what's going on here. I'm cutting off the baby hairs. This hair is actually amazing. This came in a 1B color, and I colored it, so I will link the video of the coloring process in my description box so you guys can see how I got this to be colored like this. You guys can see on the both sides of the head, it's orange, and the top has some brown roots because I was just experimenting to see how it will look. I don't know, I just bleached it and it looked like that. Right here, I'm just doing the edges. You guys already know I'm using the Afro G mousse, which is my favorite. With this, you want to work really fast because the mousse kind of acts like water, and you do not want the mousse to break up the spray and have your wig lifted up. So you want to move a little fast with this and tie it down as soon as possible. Alright you guys, I had to take a break because I noticed I was taking so many deep breaths. Like, what the heck? So right here, I just used some of the Got2b spray, and that just helped if the wig was going to lift up with the foam, it just helped it to stay put. So I'm tying it with this thick elastic band, combing out the hair so when it's dried, it's not going to be tangly. And I'm blow drying this hair on high speed, high heat. And then right before I take the elastic band off, I hit it with some cold air. So you guys can see right here how melted that is. And this is just using spray. So imagine if you actually use glue. The glue makes it look like skin. Like, amazing. But for now, I'm really happy with the way that this turned out. I'm using my hot comb just to hot comb the hair into place. I did go ahead and part off the back area of the hair just to cover up the tracks. This is like, you need to do this part. This helps cover up all those tracks in the back and make your wig look really, really nice. So here I'm just going in and I'm hot combing it just so it can be nice and slick. And then we'll be right back. So right here, I'm going to use my Bio Silk serum. And I'm just going to put some of this in the hair. And this just makes it nice and silky. Do not put too much because you don't want the hair to be weighed down. You just want to put enough so that it's nice and sleek. I'm going to go ahead and straighten this hair just so you know. So we're just going to hot comb that one more time. And I probably should have added this before I hot combed it the first time, but oh well. I'm just gonna pass that back over. Right here, I was just testing out some styles because I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a half up, half down braids or whatever. So I'm just testing out like some French braids. These are some styles that you guys can do, but I just went with the regular middle part. But this is some styles you guys can do as well.
I take you America, go down to Nigeria. Wifey material every time that I see ya. I'll show you off, I can never lie like that.
On the other side, I did do an inside cornrow, but I noticed the inside cornrows are a little bit harder to do, and it's gonna make you pull out the hair because you have to have a really good grip on the hair. But yeah, right here I was thinking about doing a ponytail, all that. I just a mess, but look how nice the hair is. I could have went in and bleached the roots of that section right at the top, but I like how different it is right there. It's like different shades of ginger, which I really like. So right here, I'm just thinking about what I should do with the hair. I put that little bun on top of my head just to see if I wanted to do a bun, but I didn't. So yeah. Now we're on to the makeup section. My subscriber was trying to tell me how to put on the makeup, so I tried it and I really did not like it. I like how I normally do my makeup by myself. Like, I just changed the way that I put on my primers, and for some reason my makeup did not come out how it normally would come out. So I'm just gonna go back to doing my makeup how I like to do my makeup. And yeah, so I just added my all the products that I'm using on my face will be in my description box. So yeah, the primers that I did use are the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, I think, the Milk Hydro Grip, and the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer right here. I like putting my Milk Primer before I put my mattifying primer, because I noticed that my skin started getting a little bit like shiny, and I did not like that because the way that I do my makeup now, my skin don't be shiny. But I just tried changing up the way that I put the primer, and I noticed that my makeup came out tragic. But I just left it in so you guys could see how it looks. Right here, I'm just using this palette, and you could use any palette, to be honest. Just get an orange shade and just pack it and blend out the creases. That's literally all I'm doing, is just packing and blending. This was a quick one. It took me like 25 minutes to do this. It's simple. That's all I'm doing right here, is just blending and packing till I get the pigmentation that I want. And yeah, I could have did a wing liner. That would have been cute as well. But that's all I'm doing right here. Then I do it on the other eye. For my inner corner highlights, I just used some Goldie shades from the eyeshadow palette. The same one I showed you guys, and then another one. These eyeshadow palettes are from Juvia's Place. I already told you guys, these are the only eyeshadow palettes that I have. And besides my Lick and Lash Beauty, but yeah. Right here, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Orange Corrector just to cover up my dark marks. And just cover up my mustache. Then I'm going to blend that out. And what I noticed is I don't want to really swipe when I'm blending. I want to pat when I'm blending, because I don't want that orange shade to just move all over my face. So you pat it in. Pat, 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 pat. Then I'm going to go in with this illuminator I got from CVS. You guys already know. Tell me if you guys want to see a detailed foundation routine just specific for my foundation. But yeah. So right here, I'm just blending that in. I'm literally just swiping it on my face. Blend, blend, blend. Move my nose to get in the creases and everything. Putting my lashes on. These lashes are from this company. I don't even know the name, but I really don't like these lashes. They look like spider legs, but oh well. I felt like my eyeshadow was plain. That's why I'm going in with these lashes. But yeah, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn just to brighten up my under eyes. I should have used a little bit less. I don't know. My makeup came out a little bit in shambles today, but we're still gonna post it because who finna waste this makeup? Not I. But yes, I'm just gonna put that on my face. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape as well in Tan Sand, just a little bit, which I should not have put, but oh well. And I'm just gonna blend that out with my beauty blender, and I'll be right back when we have more commentary.
All of your dreams and your subsequent orders, yeah. I gon' give you assurance like say my name be Davido. I'ma you be the baddest from time, baddest like to no, the gara for me. No, the gara for me. No, they do shakara for me. Can I be a lover? Don't run to another. Blow me, supernova.
I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color Earth. You guys already know, like, I do the same thing every single time now. This is my routine. But yeah, please stay tuned to the end of the video. I am going to be ranting and some extra surprises at the end of the video. So yeah, I'm just doing this right here. Then I'm going in with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder just to set my face before I actually bake my face. Going in with my Sacha Buttercup, and I'm just going to bake my face with this. Try not to press the powder into your skin too much. I feel like that's where I went wrong as well. I pressed it into my skin. Do not press it into your skin. Just literally layer it on top of your skin. So all I'm doing right here is just setting my face. And I look a little ghostly. And then I'm going in with my contour just to set the contour area. And I'm wiping off the powder. And I'm putting some blush. This is just an orangey eyeshadow from this makeup palette. And just warm up my face. Set my face with my Morphe setting spray. Highlight my face with my Maybelline highlight and some other eyeshadows. I'm doing my lip combo, which is my NYX brown lip liner. And my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Milkshake, my favorite. I went on top of it with, what did I go on top of it with? NYX Soft Matte Cream in London, fave. And then I lined it with my Glizzy Gloss brown lip liner. And I don't think I did gloss this day. I actually think I left it matte. But that was basically it. I did go in and I added a mole with this brown liquid liner I got from the beauty store. And that's basically it for this look. I'm just squeezing my lashes together. After I put my mascara, I squeeze the lashes together. And then just gonna remove my head tie. Take the hair out of this wrap. And then I'm just passing the straightener through it. I did it the lazy way, but this hair is so fire. I literally just passed the flat iron on top of it, just regular. Like, I didn't even take little pieces or nothing, and this hair was already sleek. Keep in mind, this is body wave hair, so it has a little bit of density to it, which I really love. This hair is really popping. Like, if y'all want to practice coloring, like, from scratch, this is it. Alright, you guys, this is the end of the video. Tell me what you guys think about this makeup look and hair. I'm so excited to be bringing, like, different types of videos. And this video in particular, like, these type of videos in particular are videos that I really like, because I like doing makeup, but my makeup videos, people don't really watch them. So incorporating it with my hair videos is very nice. So I'm really excited. Tell me if you guys are excited about these videos. Also, tell me if you guys want to see, like, random vlogs and stuff, because I don't really do too much in my life. Like, my life is really boring, but when I do go out and do stuff, tell me if you guys want to see me vlog, or, like, I don't know, just like regular stuff. Please comment down below other videos you guys want to see. And also, if you got to this far in the video, I want to tell you guys that I appreciate y'all so much, and I am going to be giving away a wig. So down below, what I want you to do is, I want you to comment why you follow me and what have you learned from me so far in one paragraph. I want you to tell me what have you learned from watching my videos so far. Also, I want you to tell me how long you've been following me. Then I want you to screenshot this video and post it onto your story and tag me. Tag my Instagram, Mommy is Tropic. Tag me and I'll see your post. Follow me on Instagram. Make sure you're subscribed, of course. And that's basically it. Make sure you leave the comments that I told you, the paragraph in my comment section. And if you do that and you do all the other things, you're entered. yeah, so the giveaway is gonna go on for 3 weeks, so you guys have 3 weeks from today, and I'm also gonna write down all the giveaway rules and stuff in my description box. So yes, I'm excited about this because it's like I like doing random stuff, so I feel like this random giveaway. Thank you guys so much for 21,000 subscribers. I am shook. I'm shook and I'm grateful and I am overwhelmed. Like, this is crazy. Like, I remember just the other day, like, if you guys look at my first Q&A, I was literally like, thank you guys for 56 subscribers, and now it's like 21,000 people. And I'm shook. But this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for your support, and make sure you go in my description box if you didn't catch all the details for the giveaway. It's gonna be in my description box. Bye.
Boom.
Okay, so my camera is dying, so really quickly I wanted to talk to y'all. So most times I'm not speaking in my videos because I don't have no AC in my room. 1, 2, I live really close to like a practice airport, so planes keep flying and making noise, and it's just shambles. Like, I refuse to have the audio being jacked up because of like background noise. Then I wanted to rant a little bit. I feel a little bit frustrated because I ordered this case from Aaliyah J's website, and on her page she's promoting it as a hard tough case, and I literally get this in the mail. And I'm gonna insert the case on her phone so you guys can see how she has like the protective black rubber part, and that part did not come with the case, and I'm like, I paid $28 for what?
What's the business?
Then they're like, oh, they don't do refunds and exchanges and stuff, and I'm just like, pissed. Like, I don't even understand. Like, tell me if I'm crazy, or tell me if y'all will be mad, because I'm really confused to why they sent me this case, and if I was to put that shit on my phone would literally crack. Like, the last time when my phone cracked, it was a case like that, and it was like $3 on AliExpress. So tell me why. Tell me why she feel like this is okay. Like, I'm so freaking mad. But it's crazy because it's like, I'm not gonna bash her or anything because I actually like her. That's why I bought the case. But it's like, put the case on your phone plain. Do not put no rubber part on your phone and be selling the regular $3 part for $28.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
That's it.
There's something more. There's something more.
DJ Smith.
I need that something tonight. You got it, then tonight. You got it, then tonight. You got it.
Slate's Beats.
You say